Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am in my faith planner today, well, my faith journal, and I'm going to bring my Live Love Posh Floralia faith and blooming faith. And let's see, I think I want to do, I pulled some papers out of here, and they have quite a few of these papers here that are, oh, these are sticker papers. Where did I put them? These papers here that are, they're just journaling pages that you can use throughout the journal or however you want to use them. And what I did was I want to use this one here with some of the boxes and florals that we have in this book, and actually in both books. So what I did was I took this out and I put it on sticker paper so that I want to make, oh, let's see. My book here is falling apart. So these are washi tape. So I'm going to make Dutch doors with the washi tape. So I'm going to go for one, wait, make sure this is one page. Okay, 1, 2. I'm going to do, I think because I'm going to do 3 doors. Just because I'm going to do 2. I'm trying to think and rip this at the same time, talk and think at the same time, because I'm not going to be cutting them. They're just going to be Dutch doors. So we're going to go from the back. So I think time-wise I should be okay, but you never know. Okay, let's toss that one. And I'm going to try to get as close to the end as I can. Oh, this took up a lot of the page. I should have measured it first because I really didn't want to take up that much, but that's okay. I'll just go over it. And this one here, I think what I'll do is I'll just tear it a little bit so it's not as thick. Okay, and let's see. So it won't be as wide. And I want to make sure I get as close to the end as I can. I'm going to go this way. Okay. Okay, that's pretty. That's very, very nice. Okay, so now for this one, this is a wider one, so I'm going to go stay as close to the, whoops. I always pull it tight when I when I'm doing the straight washi tape. Have to be really careful with that. Okay, so now we're going to cut this. And we just need scissors for this. And then I'm going to use this, and I'm going to get the other. I'm going to use this one here. This is the matching set. Okay, so we're going to put you over there. 2, 3. Okay, so we're good. So let's see what that looks like. Let's do the pink stripe or the yellow stripe. I think I want to go with the yellow stripe. I got my eye on these dots over here. This is going to be really cute. I pulled a lot of things here that I thought I would want to use, and because we're doing 3 Dutch doors, that's another reason why, because I thought I may want to do 3 doors, but I don't want the video to go real long. So I just pulled ahead. But that's not saying that I'm not going to change my mind when I actually start putting down. Okay. One, 2, and here's my third. So I think I'm going to go after the plain pink one. And I think I do want to mark right there. So we'll do the plain pink one. What do you think about that? I guess it's kind of thin. But I think it'll be cute. Okay, so okay. Okay, this is really cute. I really love this. And I have my boxes that I want to bring in. And I have my headers over here, my prompts that I have this page marked because, yeah, so these here I want to bring, I think I'm going to just bring these out for now and just start putting some of these in here. I love these pre-made boxes. I think they are the best. And you know, they're not hard. They're not hard to do, and they look great, but I do appreciate when they're done for me. I do appreciate that. Oh, this is a big one. And I think this one here, I may just put little ones on that page. And keep this here. So this other big one, whoops, we don't want to go there. Cute, like this. Oh, Stella's snoring if you can hear her. And I'm going to use all these stickers because I don't want any of these stickers left behind. And this way, this whole sheet will be taken care of. So this one's all gone. And where are we going to put this one? Let's put this, oh, that's too pink. I think I want to put it right above here. I think that'll look nice over there. Now, I really like this. I think what I'm going to do now is just put florals in here. Well, I do have these prompts. I want to get these prompts in here. Okay, do we have another? Is this one sheet of them? Yeah, I think so. So every page we're going to have prompt here. Let's do Gonna bring blue in for a prayer request. So we're gonna put it right up on the top there. And this here, I'm just looking for a good color. So this will be Bible study, but it'll just be the scripture. It's not going to be the whole thing. Oh, that's cute. So we'll get these prompts in. Okay. Worship session. So if I need more writing, I have this whole thing because I'm going to start with this. Oh, this is so nice. I like this. And this is a memory verse. And we're going to do a gratitude, which is all over. I mean, I think every journal I have a gratitude section in there. But we always seem to be grateful for quite a bit. Okay, so let's do another Bible journaling. And over here, we're going to put, oh gosh, how come these are hard to take it off there. Scripture of the week. So that'll be the whole thing. Okay, so let's get some florals in here. Now these are, I'm just going to look to see if there's any colors. I guess the florals came out of here. Oh, these are really pretty. So let's get some of these in here. See, this acts as a sticker picker-upper and a sticker squisher. Okay. I'm really liking these here. Just to have a couple of these florals go up. Let's see. I really like that over there. I think the best place for this here corner piece This is going to be so much fun to come into and write. Okay, I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut this right in half. And I'm going to go on the bottom, right over there. And on the bottom over here. I love these here. Let's get this. Get all those ear bubbles out. Let's see if we can bring this over here. I think I want something over on this side. I think I'm going to go right above that. So pretty. So pretty. And let's get these three little I am really liking this. But I think I want to cut this in half. Now these look good. I think I need something here and here. I think that's upside down though. I can't tell. I think I'm good. I really love the way this turned out. I think this is one of my quickest faith spreads, you know, that I've done. And I think I need to just trim. Okay. Okay, I think this turned out so pretty. This is going to be another spread that's going to be fun to come into. And I love that they have these papers that you can use, the journal papers that you can use however you want. So these are the two books that I just brought in. Live, Love, Posh. So thank you so much for joining me, and we will see you next time. Bye.